Hello, welcome to the Nurseries in Virginia. I'll show you this tool. This is a half moon hoe. I couldn't find our old one here in the nursery. It's somewhere, somebody's been using it. Really sharp tool, great weeding tool. And what I like about it is the angle on it. You can get very close to a plant and get the weeds that are lying close to the plant. And of course it's good and sharp. It's Swedish boron steel. It's an ash handle. It's got a P grip on its handle. And we're just saying this is a new batch now. The hands are a little bit longer, which is easier on the bag. But really excellent tools to get ahead of weeds before they get ahead of you, and it's important to get going early in your garden or weeds will beat you. Now what we're doing here is of course going through our area like that there with the half moon hoe. I would keep these weeds regularly disturbed, and then we will beat them and they'll give up and die. So regularly through the summer we'll be dealing with these fellows and getting ahead of them before they get ahead of us. Around our sedums here, we have plenty of weeds that have got a right grip. We can get very close to plants with it, and if you want, give it a wee rake off afterwards. We can get an area cleaned up very, very quickly with the half moon hoe. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.